Jane Suiei Naito, and I'm representing the Sogetsu School. I would like to thank the Northern California Cherry Blossom Festival Committee, Ikebana Teachers Federation, Sogetsu San Francisco Branch, and my sensei, Joan Yusui Suzuki. In 1927, when most believed that practicing Ikebana meant using established forms, Sofu Teshigahara recognized Ikebana as a creative art and established the Sogetsu School. He believed that anyone can enjoy Sogetsu Ikebana anytime, anywhere, and using any material. In the past, Ikebana arrangements were placed in a tokonoma, which was a recessed alcove in a Japanese-style reception room. Today, with Sogetsu Ikebana, you can place your arrangement in the entryway to your home, in your living room, even on your kitchen table. And Sofu Teshigahara elevated Ikebana by creating large-scale Ikebana arrangements for hotel lobbies, banquet halls, and outdoor spaces. Sogetsu Ikebana can enhance any atmosphere, whether it's Japanese or Western style. Today, with my arrangement, I've used quince branches. Unfortunately, at the time of filming, cherry blossoms weren't available. I've cut these branches in a manner so that you can see these unique angles and shapes. Along with the quince branches, I've used iris leaves for color and also for depth. And then I've used bamboo on the side here. Now, bamboo is a traditional Japanese Ikebana material. And today I've removed all of the leaves and I've left the branches long. And with these long branches, I'm now able to insert the long branch into the container. And you'll notice that I've left the stem very short. By doing this, these stems you can see are in mid-air. And this is an example of how Sogetsu Ikebana uses a traditional material in a very unconventional way. I hope you've enjoyed my arrangement today, and please stay safe during these uncertain times. I hope to see you all at next year's Cherry Blossom Festival. Thank you.